Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Nissan Murano SL. Comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired to a CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, navigation, panoramic sunroof, Bluetooth connectivity, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black and beige interior with lots of extra paneling and storage on the bottom here, next to the speakers. Above that will be the seat memory. And then you got the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome handle and the white wood there. And you get these power adjustable, leather heated seats, super comfortable. Left side you'll have the vents. Down below you're going to have your rear trunk release and as well as the heated steering wheel. Left side of the steering wheel will be your your source control as well as voice recognition. The right side will be your cruise control. Now for the odometer here, you can pretty much access all your vehicle information, including your settings there, warning reviews. You're going to have your gauges, your driving assistance, fuel economy, navigation, and radio as well. And we'll move on to the infotainment system. It's kind of hard to see. You got to move it up close a little bit. If you go on home here, you can see we got built-in navigation as well. You can calculate as well many things. You got gas stations as well as hotels and such like that, and just regular Bluetooth connectivity and downloadable apps with SiriusXM as well. Climate control on the bottom is that dual zone. You know, the push start down below and the heated seat controls next to the 12 volt. Of course, the shifter and cup holder with some extra storage and a USB and an auxiliary. And you got an extra 12 volt inside there. It's center console, lots of storage. Passenger side, same finish. Power adjustable as well. You can have that wood go all the way across. The brown up top. The Bose speaker sound system. We'll get up here to the reading lamps and as well as sunglass case holder and your panoramic sunroof. You're gonna have these 18-inch wheels on rock blade tires. You're gonna have the paint match mirror caps and the chrome keyless entry door handle. Luggage rack side rail up top. Tinted rear glass in the back. Power trunk release here, dual exhaust as well on the bottom. You got extra floor mats in the back here, and you're gonna have lamps and vents in the back as well as an extra 12 volt, some storage, and extra wheel storage and tools down below. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior, you're gonna have speakers in the bottom next to the cup holder and storage, power windows up here. Yeah, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with some rear storage, rear USB port and ventilation, cup holder and armrest right in the center there, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, that panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2017 Nissan Murano SL. Comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine, as well as heated seats, navigation, heated steering wheel, panoramic sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.